Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 12th, 2021. We're going to come ahead and give you all a price prediction for Cosmos. The ticker symbol is ATOM paired against Tether. Before I break into that, make sure if you guys appreciate our content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. We are simply here to engage the trap to ensure that we are all in position to capitalize on the anticipated price movement right before anyone else gets there. So we can have our bags already open, waiting for all the other stragglers to get in on the game. So make sure, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Also, we have another channel to where we are giving you all stock price predictions. You can head on over to that particular channel as well. The link is in the description of the video. So let's break this down real quick, okay? Because we did a price prediction in Cosmos all the way back on February the 23rd, 2021. And as I zoom in on this price chart, I want you all to take a look. This was our price prediction back here on February the 23rd. And we were anticipating the market in Cosmos to drop in price. And as you can see, that was not the case. For the most part, the market in Cosmos brought the price back up on the same day we did our video and simply has been trading sideways. That's it, right? Our prediction is down here towards the mid $18 to $14 area, while the market has been trading above $19 to $22. So we're pretty much in line with where the market has been, but it didn't go the way that we expected it to go. So the trap definitely caught us off guard on our prediction right there. It happens, but you know what? We'll get them on the next prediction. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off. We did have a TP on that particular video. We told you all that TP would have been around $15, and the market didn't get that close. The only time that it got that close was on the 26th of February, to where the market dropped all the way down to $16.05. So we were $1 and a nickel away from actually grabbing that TP out the market. So it didn't happen. So you can see that we are trading literally to where our ultimate ultimate restriction area is. So that would be about 14% loss right there. All right, it goes down. It happens. We lost a couple of soldiers in the war. We need to make sure that we bring them back. So let's go ahead and take this off, and let's try to go ahead and get in position to capitalize on this next movement. Okay. So real quick, you guys can see that we emphasized that $15 was very important for the market to continue to trade above in order for us to see the continuational progress movement higher in Cosmos. And that's pretty much what's been going on. I mean, the market has been trading above $15. And on top of that, we can also see how the market in Cosmos has been trending right alongside our ascending line. So everything is in play. We're good with that. The market in Cosmos literally is holding this range. So we've just been seeing the market in Cosmos just continue to trade sideways. Nothing traumatic has been going on in the market for Cosmos. It has just been simply trading every day, going between $22 all the way back down to $18 to $17. That's it. Okay, so we really need to make sense as to where the market is going to go in Cosmos, since it's been trading within this range. So let's break this down into a wider time frame. We'll start this off on a 3-day time frame. And you all can see over the last couple of 3 days, I mean, there has been weakness in this market in Cosmos. I don't want you all to get it twisted. Even though the market in Cosmos has been maintaining this consolidation of trading, the weakness is still present. And we can identify actually where that restriction area is coming in at into the market in Cosmos. So this is the first area right there around 22. And then definitely right here towards $21.25, give or take. Those are the locations to where the sellers are on guard. They're literally waiting for the market to come up to that particular price so they can sell more Cosmos, right? That's literally what we're seeing in the market for this currency. So what about on a weekly time frame? So even right here on the weekly time frame, we're still seeing the emphasis and the momentum of how much selling is going on in this market in Cosmos. While everyone is still into the markets expecting these cryptocurrencies to go higher in price, we're not seeing that on the price chart. All right. So in order for us to maintain our profitability, in order for us to ensure that we do not get caught in any bad positions, the weekly time frame, the longer the time frame, we're definitely seeing how weakness is present. Okay. And you can see it even right here on the 3 weeks time frame, that the market in Cosmos has definitely seen its bout of selling. So we cannot be ignorant to think that the market in Cosmos is still aimed to go high in price. If anything, we're going to continue to see this market in Cosmos trade sideways, right? We're going to see it continue to trade, and then eventually we'll see the market make a decision as to whether or not it's going to maintain this trend, because the market in Cosmos has been breaking away from the overall trend. And now we're almost to that particular moment to where a decision will be made. Now we're already getting a heads up. You know, the trap is already letting us know that the weakness is still being garnered. So the likelihood of Cosmos maintaining the trend of higher price is losing that steam. That energy is being wasted. We're seeing the market getting tired of going higher in price, plain and simple, right? So let's do this real quick. We'll look at the market real quick in Cosmos on the hourly time frame to see whether or not if the market actually is still garnering a lot of weakness. And as of this particular moment, it's weak, but it's not extremely weak. I'll be the one to tell you that the market in Cosmos is definitely exhibiting to us, and it is showing us that it is weak, but it's not that weak. All right, so we're going to keep that in mind as we continue to placate and show forth our prediction. All right, so maybe around $18 to where the market support is, $18.15, all the way back down to around $17 or $16.85. All right, so that's it. That's how low the market literally can go, and we can still see the market prop itself up and go higher in price. Okay, so as we do this forecast, as we show forth what we expect the trap to do, definitely keep that in mind as we see the market trade on our prediction. Okay, now let me show you this, and then we'll go ahead and put a prediction on into the market. Okay, because we need to show you all how the market in Cosmos is still trending within a downtrend as well. Okay, and this is where the market concern is. All right, so we really won't expect the market in Cosmos to go higher until we see this downtrend line that I got drawn. Until that is broken, it has to break to the upside in order for us to really see the strength up here into the market in Cosmos. And as of right now, I do suspect that the trap is going to try to come back into the market and break this at a later date, maybe around mid-March or so, expecting the market to try to break that to the upside. And you can already tell that it tried and it failed. And that's how we know that the market in Cosmos is still weak, right? It tried to break it on the 10th of March and it wasn't successful. So we're still expecting some weakness to occur into the market in Cosmos, albeit I don't see that much weakness right now. Specifically, as I look at the market in the longer time frames, i.e. the 3-day, the 5-day, and the weekly time frames. All right, the weakness is here though, so we're going to play the weakness since the trap is telling us precisely how he is feeling. Okay, so now I told you maybe around $21 to $22 is where the area of restriction is. Okay, so we're going to play that area for restriction. And I told you $18, maybe a little bit higher, $18.15 is where we will skim off some of that profitability into the market for Cosmos. So maybe I'll say $18.20, which would garner us about what, 5.4% profitability, which is good because we are anticipating that the prospect of support is right there. So when the market goes to that particular level, we'll already meet the trap there, you know, expecting him to bring the price to that level right before he'll increase it. So we will be in position to capitalize on at least 5.4%. And now I'm going to lower it down all the way back here towards $17, give or take. So now the question for you on this video is, which trend is the market following? Is it following this descending line, or is it following that ascending line that I got drawn? Which one? because this is where the decisions are going to be made over the next couple of days. For us, we're expecting the descending line to be obeyed and the ascending line to be broken to the downside. That's what we're seeing. Now, it's your prerogative. What do you all see in the market for Cosmos? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. All right. So I'm going to keep this here and I'm going to lower this ascending line real quick. And we're going to play that. All right. So give us a visual depiction as to what the market looks like so far. And as we get closer and closer to either of these two lines, understand that we will break one of them. And for us, we're stating that the market breakage is going to occur on our ascending line. So tell us, what do you all see in the market for Cosmos? Higher, lower, where we're going? Because either way it go, we all need to get a heads up. We need to let everyone know in our community where we expect the price to be so we can capitalize from it. All right. So let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.